In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Salesforce. A dashboard is a clear, visual way to track your key metrics at a glance, using charts and tables that sit on one page. By the end, you'll have a polished dashboard that's easy to read and share with your team. Start by heading to the Dashboards tab in Salesforce. If you don't see it in your navigation bar, click the App Launcher, the grid icon in the corner, and search for Dashboards. Open it from there so you're in the right place to begin. Next, select New Dashboard. Give your dashboard a concise, meaningful name that makes it obvious what it's for, like the team, region, or time frame it covers. Adding a description is optional, but it's helpful for explaining who the dashboard is for and what questions it answers. Then, choose a folder. The folder determines who can view the dashboard, so pick one that aligns with your intended audience. When you're ready, click Create to open the dashboard builder. Now let's add components. Click the +was component button. You'll be prompted to select a report as your data source. Dashboards are powered by reports, so choose an existing report that already summarizes the data you want to visualize. Once the report is selected, pick a display type. Bar charts are great for comparing categories. Pie charts show proportions, tables display detailed records, and metrics present a single, high-level number. Choose the visualization that best communicates your point, then click Add. You'll see the component appear on the dashboard canvas. Drag it to position it, and use the edges to resize it so it fits cleanly. Aim for a layout that's easy to scan from top to bottom, placing the most important metrics toward the top. If something feels crowded, give it a bit more space so labels and values are readable. Repeat the process to add more components as needed. You can include up to 20 components per dashboard, but it's often better to start with the essentials and expand as you refine what's most useful for your audience. When everything looks good, click Save. Your dashboard is now stored and will appear in your Dashboards tab. From there, you can open it anytime to view the latest visuals, and you can return to the builder to adjust components as your reporting needs evolve. That's it. Your Salesforce dashboard is ready to help you track what matters with clarity and confidence.